Hello, everyone. I've got surprises for you. Brand new projects, lots of fun things. I want to tell you this is going to be a two-part video. Okay, so first thing I want to show you, this is Boxable box style number 4. So this is style number 4. Look at how gorgeous. This is using the Graphic 45 Nature's Sketchbook paper collection. On the outside, I did something a little bit different. At least for me, this is definitely different. I'm more of a simple, clean crafter. But what I did was, as you all know, Graphic 45 has these beautiful images in their paper all the time. So the artist ordinarily creates these scenes with all these beautiful images. And a big trend for Graphic 45 paper in terms of what crafters are doing is they cut the images out and recreate the sceneries. What I did in this case, I cut a few of the images out and left the artwork intact and just kind of popped them out just to create some dimensionality. And I did that with these two butterflies, with the title right here, the egg, I always say leaf, but this is a feather. This butterfly, I just put it there because it was on this side, and obviously I couldn't do that. For the side, I did the same thing. I kept the artwork already. It's already done for you, so there's no reason why to, at least for me, to recreate a scene. But I do love this dimensional style, so I went ahead and I did that, and I think it's super cute. I did that there, and I also did it here on this side. Look at how gorgeous that is. And just with a few select things. I didn't do everything because, again, this is a box. You don't want too much fuss. All right. And then there's the back. And the way this opens, and here's a top, really beautiful. And it opens up like this. You've got this really nice angled effect here, or angled style. And these, again, these are all sized for the All Occasions 2 album. Boxable is separate. Boxable is a workshop of 12 different boxes. Every single box has a resize sheet where you follow the instructions and you can make every single box in the Boxable workshop into whatever size you want for whatever mini album you want or album you want. So here's the album. It's beautiful. I'm going to share this with you in part 2. This album was created by Kathy Jacobson for the Boxable workshop for this one, number 4 right here. So box style number 4 is right here. And this is it, guys. It's absolutely beautiful, fabulous, and gorgeous. Okay, so hopefully you can get some, you love it, and you can get some inspiration from some of this. And if you want to learn how to make all the Boxable boxes, you can sign up for the workshop, and I will link you down below. As a bonus to Boxable for box style number 4, I am showing you how to make your box into a shaker box, not shaker panel, shaker box. This is the same box as you see over there. However, I did something a little different. I beveled the edges, so this is why you see this. You see it more rounded. See how that's beveled, and every panel is shaker. All right, and I'm going to pull this apart so I can shake it for you because it's huge and it won't get in the camera view. So let me open it up. And then, so here's the album inside, of course, and there's the cover. Let me get the album out. And again, I'll show you this in part 2. But look at how freaking cute these shaker elements. And of course, there's glare. So I'm just going to go like this so you can get an idea. And it's just really fun. I put pictures, as you can see, some sentiments. I will tell you that adding too many die cuts, they get all caught up with each other, so you really don't get the super fun elements of all the die cuts. So one die cut, that's it. That's all you need. And then here's a side panel. All right, super cute and fun. Here's the back one. And see all of these shaky elements in there, butterflies, the sentiment smile, there's a little conversation heart in there, all sorts of fun things. And in the workshop, I cover all of the supplies that I use, etc., etc. Did a really nice foiling technique on the edges just to highlight that beveled edge. Just really beautifully done, guys. I take you step by step. Here's the side panel on the lid, and hopefully you can see the shaky elements in there. Here are the shaky elements in here. So here we got the sentiment wonderful home and a flower. Then all sorts of sequins and fun things in there. And then on this side still shake, shake, shake. And here's the other side, flowers, sentiment, and there's a pocket watch back there. But again, they start to get caught on one another. So I would say one die cut. And there's a pocket watch. Eventually, there's a pocket watch. You eventually get them all apart, but you know, you don't want to have to do that every single time. Here, earlier, all my butterflies got caught one on top of the other. So again, the takeaway, one die cut in each shaker element so you don't have that jumbling problem. All right, but as many beads as you want, sequence, whatever you need, whatever you got, you name it. So the beauty about this workshop, all right, is two things. So you're going to be able to make a shaker element or box, meaning all panels on every single box that you get in Boxable with the techniques that I show you in the videos. And you can resize this. So let's say you want to make this particular shaker box for a smaller album. You can, all right? You will be able to do that because I give you a resizing sheet, which is you don't see anywhere else, guys, just here, Paper Phenomenon, and I teach you how to resize your boxes. So how fun is this? I love it. Really, really wonderful. And this is my friend says together, and then the picture of my hubby and I, which I really love. And look at how beautiful this is. All right, so pick up this workshop. I will link you down below if you want to make these boxes. This is box number 4. We still have 5 through 12 to go. And look at how beautiful your two options. And again, any size you want. Any size. All right, so I'll be back with the second part of this video to show you the albums.